All right, Preacher Dan here doing another video for you. I want to show you something. All right, this is a 2012 Mustang here. All right, it's a V6 model, 3.7 liter. Yes, this is the factory throttle body, okay? It measures 67 millimeter, right? Okay, something like that, I think it is. 67, 68 millimeter. This is an 80 millimeter throttle body off of a 5.0 liter Coyote motor. I've been told that this thing will work with the electronics on this engine. You have to buy an adapter plate. There's some people out there that are 3D printing them. They're around $40–50, something like that. I think that's what I got mine for. I got this one for this throttle body on eBay for around $55. And if it works, this is going to be one of the cheapest upgrades that you could do for a throttle body on a 3.7 liter V6 Mustang. This is the adapter plate that goes between the 5.0 liter throttle body and that intake there. You can see that this one inner lip here is a lot narrower than this outer lip, and that is to secure a smooth transition from this to that. And if I'm not mistaken, I believe this opening here is 76 millimeter, okay? So that means that at wide open throttle on this 80 millimeter throttle body, you're actually gonna have 76 millimeter open diameter flow rather than the 67 millimeter from the factory. Another thing I want to cover is this is the factory breather tube, and by heating this end right here with a heat gun and doing some stretching, just putting your fingers in there, pulling from opposite ends, you can stretch it out and can actually get it to fit over this throttle body. Kind of interesting that how that works, but that's the way I did it anyways. All right, there it is all together. I am surprised, but I haven't ran it yet, so let's see if it will start. All right, here goes nothing. Moment of truth. Oh my goodness. You've got to be kidding me. Well, because one thing we can definitely say, it will idle. I am eager to see what this thing will do. Will it rev? It will respond. And it doesn't auto high. That's fantastic. Let's rev it again. Yep, we're gonna have to drive it. If I can say anything else, for roughly $100, in my opinion, it's worth it. Kind of crazy. Called third gear. Now, that may not seem to y'all as a great accomplishment, but let me just remind you, if I may, that this thing has factory 273 gears in it, and catching third is not something that I have done very often. And this time it happened almost by accident. It is definitely added power to this thing. Now, I'm not saying that it is some sort of glass shattering amount of horsepower and torque. I'm going to say probably around about the same that you would expect from the 73 millimeter throttle body that you get from BBK. For $400, I'm really, really happy with this upgrade. Well, I made it back home, and I have to say I am pleased. There is no weird reactions that this thing is doing. Of course, this right here means I've got to have my traction control off. Yeah, hands are dirty and bloody, but it'll be all right. Yeah, I am very pleased. Of course, I have the air conditioner on right now, and I ran the air conditioner the whole time that I was out. And to be honest with you, it didn't even dawn on me that the air conditioner was running. That's not what I could say about my factory throttle body. I don't know how much better fuel economy, or if I'm gonna get any better fuel economy. Probably will get worse, because now the car is definitely funner. Well, anyways, I'm gonna let y'all go. May Yahweh bless you. And until the next time that I have another project going on with this thing, probably gears, this is Preacher Dan signing out. Bye-bye.